Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble an instant pop-up tent. So we got the tent here and the pegs, so make sure that you peg it down to the floor or to the ground, otherwise the tent will fly away. So take the elastic strap off, just open up straight away. So as you can see, it's very easy. So this has got fly protection as well, so you need to put it in so that the flies won't come in, and fly protection on the windows as well. So this is basically a 2 to 3 people tent, very light and easy to handle. Alright, so once you have finished using it, very easy to pack it out. So make sure that the elastic strap is on the bottom side. Hold the tent with one hand, like you hold a cup. Then use the right hand, the top, and bend it down slowly. Now you can see that there are 2 circles formed. Make sure that one circle slides under the other. That's it. And put the strap back on. Very easy, lightweight, easy to use. Thank you.